Okay, it's morning. We're packing up. It doesn't take much. Packing up for a Margaritaville cruise is pretty easy, huh? Oh, you're wearing your Halloween shirt. Hang on a second, I'm having a problem. My card is on the back of my phone and I think it's still, okay, there. You're wearing your boo sheet shirt. You have to get off the boat and it's boo sheet? Mm-hmm. Oh, you're so cute.
Yeah.
Oh, you had fun?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I like
it. Still mind-boggling, but more on that story later.
Well, I have to go to work, so you tell them. Sorry, guys.
Should be our second to last walk down the hallway.
I didn't even have a cheeseburger this time.
Mm-hmm. Alright, pretty much having the same breakfast as last time, except now they have chocolate croissants, so alrighty. They saw me coming.
Okay, I went easy today. Toasted bagel, how'd you do? One side better than the other, that's okay. Today's yogurt is creamy. Raspberry today. Yesterday was cherry. And these chocolate muffin things were really good. And then I got the bacon. And I said crispy, and he just poked around and said he didn't know. Okay, never mind. And one more free drink on the way out the door. We just got 3 mimosas for sitting here. I think they were going around and just kind of making sure people were filling out their surveys and just checking in and seeing how people liked their cruise. And I mean, we have all good things to say. So,
but more on that story later.
Yeah, so that was really cool. So now, free mimosa. Oops, sorry.
Alright, not on a cruise, guy. Didn't get the camera going fast enough to say the whole phrase, but
Whoa.
This is how it goes. We're express getting out of here.
Sorry. Okay, made it through customs, made it through security. Now we can do the valet. Good morning. It's Monday. Ethan's dropping me off at work in a couple hours. We're on the Florida Turnpike, so Ethan needs to keep his eyes on the road. But we figured we'd do a quick little high-low minor recap, because you just watched everything, so you sort of know what happened. We don't have to go through it. Not a lot of lows. I'm going to start there because we're going to get them out of the way. We ended up in the sewage hallway. There is one hallway that I know of that smells very strongly of sewage for some reason, and it didn't smell like it when we got on the ship, and then we left the room and I turned off the main power in the room when we left, and we came back and it just, the hall smelled, our room smelled, the bathroom was horrible. So we closed the bathroom door and it was like, I don't know, and then it was, is it getting less? So we discovered if we kept the main circuit onto the room the entire time, it came back. No, not only was it disappeared for the longest time. It only came back once, and it was very, very faint. So I would say don't turn your main power off, is what I would say. It's an older ship. It's going to do weird things. Oh, this guy's coming over. Thank you. The food on the buffet tastes fine, but it's very, very brown. Varying shades of brown, and yes, there was salad, and yes, there was some fruit. No, we didn't eat any of those. So it was kind of our own fault. We were eating brown food.
Yeah. But like the main attraction stuff was mostly brown.
Was mostly brown, yeah.
Like fried chicken or meatloaf.
Yes, which were hamburger patties in a sauce. They didn't even fall under Salisbury steak. They were hamburger patties. They were grilled hamburger patties. And again, so while not bad, definitely not meatloaf. dining room was excellent. I didn't have anything I didn't like. The Cherries Jubilee was out of this world. So good. That basically covers food, entertainment.
License to Chill Trio.
They were incredible. That girl's got a voice. I could listen to her all day. She's so good. And the band is excellent. For two guys with just a guitar and a set of things to bang on. I'm not even sure I would classify his setup as drums.
It's a very stripped down set.
It was an unplugged set.
Yeah.
But the sounds they were getting out of those two instruments and her voice were incredible.
Yeah.
Totally check them out. What's the name of the other band?
Golden Soul Trio.
Golden Soul
Band.
Golden Soul, also phenomenal voices and a lot of fun. They're very, very sweet. They're just very young children. But they're very cute. And talented. There was a waiter in the dining room last night who had the voice of an angel. It was like, what is the deal?
And we heard it 6,800 times.
Every table had a birthday or an anniversary. It was hysterical.
Yeah, I think it was a prank anymore. I think that people were like, hey, you had a birthday in the last 58 months.
Yeah.
Tell them.
Yeah. It was fun. Yeah, definitely another great cruise. We love Margaritaville. I know there are haters, and I don't get it. I don't know what you're looking for. That chill, fun, relaxed is not your vibe. I don't get it. We did in customs see some lady have a freak out about what line she was put in. They put and the thing is that there were like 6 of us that got put in the wrong line and they got moved. Well, she started having a fit that all these other people got in front of her. It was 4 couples. Calm down. And one of the women at the front of the thing, she says, "You can get in front of me. I don't care." When the woman didn't move. Yeah. And I made eye contact with that woman, and I just kind of mouthed to her, "It's okay. She'll survive."
Someone else said it was like a more major meltdown.
Yeah.
Like right at security, like.
Yeah, I don't yell at TSA. They're just doing their jobs.
Yeah.
Some jobs suck more than others.
Yeah.
But yeah, other than those couple of little incidents, I think this was excellent. And you're going to see some stuff from us on the Donut King.
Yeah.
The Mini Donut King is a food truck that sits by the port on port days. On Freeport. Fresh, made to order mini donuts with the most amazing toppings. And I'm going to highly recommend the apple pie. And then he made one that wasn't on the menu. He made it was called Razzle Dazzle. I think it was like a raspberry and like a white glaze. Oh my God, they were amazing. But I could have eaten a dozen of the apple pie ones. So we're gonna put up some stuff here on this channel and then on Instagram and Facebook too. You know, we do the socials. So never thought I'd say that. Okay.
Well, yeah, we spent a lot of time asking other people, like, is this your first Margaritaville cruise? And if so, what'd you think? Everybody we asked was like, yeah, this is amazing. And we all saw negative reviews and we don't get it.
Yep. Yeah, everybody loved it.
But I was saying last night when we were watching License to Chill Trio, is that in that moment when you're focused on the show, and a lot of people they were there for the show, is that, yeah, the furniture is old and scratched up and all that. But it's like, so if you go to a club downtown, and downtown could be anywhere you live, doesn't have to be Orlando, like Chicago or whatever. What do you think the furniture is going to look like there? You know, it's I've been to my share of places with old furniture and great music, and that might be the way you could sum up Margaritaville: old furniture, great music. But everybody I talk to, I'm like, why does this cruise slap so hard? And they're like, we don't know, but we love it. So I got the survey, 10s all around most of the things, except for the things I couldn't give a 10 for. One of the things that's very important, people, if you're on the Margaritaville or really any cruise, if there's something you like or someone you like, say so in the survey. License to Chill wasn't there when we were there, and it was because their contract got dropped. And then they got brought back again, and I was talking to the band. She's like, yeah, we tell the management and all that, like, everyone loves us to our face. So like, yeah, but no one ever says anything on the survey, and that's what we go by. So really important that if that's something you like, then tell them.
Yep.
So I made sure I read a lot of name tags, and I made sure I had the antenna about great service to let them know, because I want to look out for the staff, you know, and the things we like, because we'll be back in December. So
yep.
Hoping to see those people and those things on the next cruise.
Yeah.
But it's not helped along if I don't say anything.
There you go. All right. Okay, before he gets us crushed by a truck, we're going to say goodbye. Thanks for watching this one, and we'll see you in the next one.
I want to show you a mashup. Something from T-Pain and Shaggy. I know you know the song. Put it to see. Oh, yeah. Talk to me, let me buy you a drink. I'm T-Pain, getting on me. All big news, never go your way. I know love, close and free. There's the chances of it going with me. Back to the crib, show you how I live. Let's get drunk to get retail. I'll buy you a drink. Hold me, get my money in the bag. Show me what you think about that. I'll be in the bed, I'll be in the bed like that. Thanks so much.
How about this?
No!